Hey guys, I wanted to show you what I got in my Ipsy box for the month of March. So first I have this Defiance palette from Carmela Cosmetics. Next I have this It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, a mini travel version, and this is what the brush looks like. Next I have this jelly exfoliator from Saturday Skin, and I must say I tried it out after this video and I loved it. Then I have this probiotics cleanser from So Clean, which I tried out as well and I loved it too. And this 4-in-1 alley-oop brush with a brush on one side and a sponge on the other. Then some cute pens and this notepad from Ipsy. Next, in this little pouch, we have these tweezers from Araceli. There's Pure Brazilian Serum for your hair. This Ciate London Dewy Highlight. This lip jelly mask from Kinship. And this really cute First Aid Beauty face cream, which I actually have in my bathroom. I have the big version and I love it. So I'm trying out the brush, applying some bronzer on my face. I wanted to see how it works, and it's really convenient. Then I'm trying out the palette, applying this matte peach shade as a wash of color all over my lid. And then this matte highlights underneath my brow because there's no shimmer highlight in this palette. And then this matte brown in my crease. Now for the mascara, I'm applying just a tiny bit on the ends of my extensions on the top because I did have some fallout from the eyeshadow, and then applying it on my bottom lashes. And then I'm also taking the matte brown shade and tight lining on the top to make my lashes look fuller without any liner. Then I'm taking that dewy highlight, which is liquid, warming it up and applying it just with the tips of my fingers. And finally, I'm taking the lip jelly mask and applying it to my lips. I'm not going to do any gloss or lipstick, just this jelly mask, which looks really nice and shiny for the summer. And that's it. I just wanted to show you guys what these products look like on. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.